This is the piston. This is the liner. And the piston is moving. The piston is moving. Basically, it's a short distance, no? And additionally, in the majority of the diesel engine, you have here in the bottom one nozzle to spray oil. What is the name of that nozzle? Oil jets. Where is coming that oil? From the oil pump. The oil is pressurized in the bearings of the crankshaft and immediately enter in those nozzles and spray oil over there. If that oil is sprayed from the bottom, that oil enter here in the inside of the piston. Oh, I don't like that design because that oil enter in the combustion chamber. No, because this compression ring and this compression ring, and in some cases another compression ring, avoid that the oil pass here. When you have oil in the combustion chamber, what happens? Blue smoke. I have blue smoke. The majority of the people say piston rings. It's problems on the head. It's problem on the valve train. Normally, it's not a problem on the piston rings.